From the ancient Greek philosophers who pondered the nature of language to modern-day scientists who strive to create machines that can understand human speech, the quest to understand the relationship between language and the brain has been a long and fascinating journey. In this video, we'll discuss how computers can communicate verbally with humans by understanding our language. Language is a complex system of communication used by humans to convey meaning and information. It is a highly flexible and adaptive system that is constantly changing and evolving over time. In the realm of philosophy, thinkers debated the relationship between language, thoughts, and reality. They believed that language was a reflection of our inner thoughts and ideas, and that the words we use shape our perception of the world around us. Moving forward to the scientific revolution of the 17th century, philosophers and scientists began to study language as a natural phenomenon. Investigating language structure and function led to the development of the field of linguistics, which studies the nature of language and how it is used to convey meaning. The information revolution and the advent of computers created a new era of language research. As we talked about the rational agent in the last videos, sometimes the agent needs to understand human language to make its decisions. The goal of natural language processing is to create machines that can understand and generate human language, bridging the gap between human and machine communication. However, this journey is far from over. The true challenge of NLP is to create machines that not only understand our language but also possess the ability to think and reason like a human. This would require a deep understanding of the human mind and how it processes language. Here, the question that arises is, how exactly does the machine involve language? NLP is a vast and interdisciplinary field that covers a wide range of subfields that enables machines to engage with natural language. The first subfield of NLP is machine translation, which deals with automatically translating text from one language to another. The goal of MT is to produce translations that are accurate, fluent, and semantically equivalent to the original text. The basic process of machine translation involves first breaking down the source text into smaller units, such as words or phrases, and then using statistical models or neural networks to translate each unit into the target language. The translated units are then reassembled to form the final translation. Question answering is another subfield of NLP that focuses on automatically answering questions posed in natural language. The goal of QA is to provide accurate and relevant answers to questions, using large collections of text data, such as news articles, Wikipedia, or other sources. One of the main challenges in question answering is understanding the context of the question and determining the appropriate source of information to use in generating an answer. This requires a deep understanding of the language used in the question and the ability to identify relevant information in large text collections. There are several approaches to question answering, including information retrieval-based methods and knowledge-based methods. Information retrieval-based methods use text matching algorithms to search for documents that contain the answer to a question. Google's search engine is a good example of the retrieval-based method. Knowledge-based methods, on the other hand, work by utilizing a structured knowledge representation or a database to perform NLP tasks. The success of a knowledge-based NLP system depends on the completeness and accuracy of the knowledge representation and the ability of the system to apply that knowledge effectively to the text processing and inferencing stages. ChatGPT is an example of a knowledge-based system. Summarization is another subfield of NLP, which focuses on condensing a large amount of text into a shorter form while retaining its most important information. The goal of summarization is to produce a summary that accurately conveys the most important information. Summarization has a wide range of applications, from news articles and scientific papers to business reports. By condensing large amounts of text into a shorter and more manageable form, summarization makes it easier for people to quickly understand the most important information in a text. Sentiment analysis is a different subfield of NLP that focuses on identifying and extracting the sentiment or emotion expressed in a piece of text. The goal of sentiment analysis is to determine the sentiment of a text as positive, negative, or neutral. Sentiment analysis is typically performed using machine learning algorithms to analyze the text and identify features, such as words and phrases, that are indicative of the sentiment expressed in the text. There are many applications for sentiment analysis, including marketing and advertising, customer service and support, and public opinion analysis. For example, companies can use sentiment analysis to monitor customer feedback and social media posts to get a better understanding of how their products and services are being received by the public. Dialogue systems are computer systems that can engage in natural language conversation with users. The goal of dialogue systems is to enable human-like communication between computers and humans, allowing users to interact with computers using natural language, rather than through a limited set of predefined commands or buttons. Dialogue systems are used in a variety of applications, including customer service, virtual assistants, and chatbots. The NLP module analyzes the user's input, extracting the relevant information and determining the user's intention. Then it generates a response in natural language that is sent back to the user. NLP is a vast ocean with countless subsets, but amidst the waves of innovation, the most fascinating accomplishments that are changing our lives are the cases that we have reviewed so far. Yet, while each subset shines brightly on its own, a true marvel lies in a system like ChatGPT, which artfully integrates most of these systems to create an unparalleled experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share your thoughts, and follow us on Instagram to stay updated on the latest AI-related content. We'll be posting regular updates and insights to help you stay ahead of the curve in the world of artificial intelligence. So hit the subscribe button, follow us on Instagram, and join us as we explore this mind-blowing technology together.